Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to delete Upwork account permanently. So first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, just simply go ahead and go to the account settings here on the drop down. So click on account settings. And after that, you should be able to see here, close my account. So click on here. And now just simply go ahead and select a reason why you are closing your account. So from here, you will have multiple options to choose from. So let's say I'm gonna go for I couldn't find the jobs I wanted. And now you can just simply click on close account over here. And after that, as you can see, automatically you'll be able to log out into Upwork and you should be able to close your account. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more about Upwork. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.